Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. This is Shani Folake Orebi. I am Folake Orebi. I am a bead builder. I make bead, I build, I design build, anything you want to call it. I do Igbo bead, Nigerian bead, African bead, Russian bead, USA bead, whatsoever you can use bead for. I am good in using bead. I can use bead to construct human being. I can use bead to construct house or anything. I use bead for a lot of things. And before I go further, I would like to appreciate all my subscribers. Yes, you make it for me. You made it for me. You made it for me. I clock 1,000 sub. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so much appreciate you. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate everything that you have done. The sub was just coming. Actually, I really appreciate everyone. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. If this is your first time of coming to my channel, kindly subscribe. Subscribe, share my videos, share all my videos. They are shareable. Share it to your friends, share it to everybody. You share it. Please drop your comments. Drop your comments if you really want me to please drop your comments. I don't know what to say than to say thank you. So today I have the project I want to do today. I have a traditional crown that I'm doing today. If you look at the thumb tag, you will see the picture. The job came in just now, so I have to do it, and they are coming for it tomorrow. So let's go to the table and let's see the way I'm going to do it. You will surely understand it very well. Now I'm doing a crown, an Edo crown. Can you see the bead I'm using? This is Edo bead. I think this is a plastic one. It is not that expensive. And I'm using this crystal bead. I'm using size 8. And I'm having my fishing line 0.5, my rubber 0.1, the thicker one. I'm having my cutter here. So right now I'll be taking my rubber. I'll be taking my rubber, and I will have to fix in 24 of these for the head. If you are doing blouse, you don't use rubber. You might not use rubber if you don't want. But for my rubber, for my blouse, I use a fish line to start it. But because this one is crown, is for the head, I prefer to use elastic. So I'll be fixing 24 there. I will be fixing 24. I won't like this video to be lengthy. I'll be fixing 24 on it. So this is 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 24. So this is 24. After getting your 24, you know we are using fishing line. We are using rubber rather. It is crown. So we tie. So I have to tie it. Should not be too firm and should not be too loose. Can you see? We tie like 4 or 5 times. We tie. So after tying, I'm having 24. You go to your fish line, you take your fish line, you take a reasonable length. I've cut them down, a reasonable length. So we start like this. I would like to start from this place. You pick two of these. So you take the fishing line take it to the center of the fishing line. Take the two mouths together, join them together, join together like this. I want you to see it very well. I've joined together. Then you now take 2 of this coral bead. Before then, I will use a crystal bead. I will fix 2, 2. To each. Can you see? I'm having 2. Then I will take 4 of these. 2 to the right, 2 to the left, 2 to the right, and 2 to the left. You can use needle, but I prefer to use hand. For this one, I prefer to use hand. After, can you see, 2 like this, then you now use 1 to join together. Take 1, put the two fishing line together. So you join it together with this one. Put it down. Then you now take 2. You put 2 inside each of the fishing line. Put 2 individually. Then you now go to your crystal bead. Put 2 individually as well. 2. This is the foundation. Once this one is okay, then you lay your building, the other part on it. This is 2. Where's the mouth? Can you see? Then now take one of this. You fix this one, this one to 1. Can you see? Then you now take 1, you double the mouth, you put the mouth together, you fix this one. This is the foundation. Then this is it. Then you open it up again, open the fish line, you put 2, you put 2 to the other side, 2 to the other side. Can you see? Then you now take your crystal, you put 2. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe and please watch to the end, so that you can see how it looks like. So you now fix 1, take the crystal bead, you put 1. Can you see? This is the foundation. Once you get this one right, you are good to go. Then you now double it. So at this point, I will end it here. This is the measurement I want to have for the crown. And if you want to continue, you do the same, but I'll be stopping here. Supposing I'm doing blouse, I will fix 1 of these to make it 3, but this one is 2. It's okay like this for the crown. So I will tie. Make sure the tying goes inside so that it will not cause any, it should not disturb your clothes or anything. So the tie, this is what we need. So to the other step, this is how you are going to do it. Let me cut this one away. You take your fish line, you pass through these 2 crystal bead, you pass through it, put your fish line inside it, then you now pass through 2 of these. I pass through this one and this one. So you bring the mouth together and let something go down. This is it. So this is the foundation, as I've said earlier on. The first one is the foundation. Then here to this side, please, I hope I'm visible. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So this one is coming here. So this one will come inside. The one that is by this side. This is it. This is how it will look. It comes. And you see. So you fix two to this side. Fix two. And we have taken one from here, so we are going to put one. We have taken one from the foundation, then we take one, we fix one, making two. Then you now put the fish line together. Then you now fix one. You join them together. You put this one inside. And you see. So at this point, you put two. One. My environment is always noisy. All these fowls, all these hen, they are always doing their own thing. Meanwhile, me too, I'm doing my own thing here. So please don't be disturbed. That is the environment I'm living. That's the environment I'm living. So don't be disturbed, please. Just concentrate on what I'm doing. So at this junction, can you see? Can you see the way it will go? So I will fix this fishing line that comes to this side. This one is at this side. This one is here. It will go inside this crystal bead, the two crystal bead, plus this one. It's going to be disturbed by the environment. So, don't mind the background noise. So that's so what I'm doing to this side now is I will fix two crystal beads to this side, only to this side, only here. I fix two crystal bead. Then I will put one of this coral bead. Can you see now? So for this one to be complete, this one that is at this side, just take a look at it. Now take this one. Can you see? This one is coming here. It's coming to this place. Then it goes inside the crystal bead as well. So it goes inside the crystal bead. If you can see, then at this we now put one coral bead to this one. So you join together, join them all together. You put two individually. Put two. Then you now put two crystal bead individually as well. put two individually. And you now take this one of it, one, one, put it one, put one. Okay, at least before you put the last one, sorry, you take this one like this. This one is going here. This one is going here. This thing, the hole is small. If you can use needle, you use needle, but I prefer to use my hand. Somehow, so to go into the second one, let's go. Please go. So now fix one. This is what you are going to do to get the desired design. This is what you are going to be doing. Can you see? Then you now fix one with the crystal. That is the end. Then you take your fish line to start another stage. Can you see what it gives us? So let me go one more time. So you pass your fishing line through these two. Then you take another two of the coral bead. Take two. Let this go down. Hold the two mouths together. Don't forget, you are starting with two crystal beads. You have to put two here. You have to put two here. Put two. This is it. Then this one to this side, you pass through this one. Only one of these. Then you now put two coral beads here. Put two coral beads here. This one still remain one. This fix one here. Then we now put the two mouths together. Put the two mouths together. Put the two mouths together. Let's see. Thank you.